So here I've sprinkled the chocolate with a little bit of salt, added those nuts, and it's ready for the fridge. You're going to want to keep it in there for about 30 minutes to an hour until it hardens. Once it does, you're ready to eat. Okay, here I have prepared in a glass, warm, safe bowl some organic dark chocolate. It is 72% cacao and is no sugar added, so it is unsweetened, which is how you want your chocolate to be. I'm going to put this on the stove top. There's some water underneath it. And what's going to happen is that the steam from the water is going to then melt the chocolate. While that's going on, I have already prepared the nuts that I want to use in my bark. I want to use pecans and walnuts. So here's how I have prepared them. I mixed them with some olive oil and some honey. I popped them in the oven at 350 for about 5 minutes just to toast them. Then I took them out, set them aside to cool. So you want to stir your chocolate until it is nice, silky, and smooth like such. Once all your chocolate pieces have melted, you can take it off the stove. Alright, so what you want to do is get some parchment paper. I'm using the same one where I made the nuts. That way whatever flavor is left on there will transfer onto the chocolate. I think that would be great. So you go ahead and take your bowl, and then you're just going to drip it on there. Look at that. Beautiful. Once you've got all of it on here, then you're just going to want to spread it out. Don't spread it out too far. You don't want your chocolate bar to be too thin, but just far enough that it's even. Once you've done that, you can add a dash of salt on top and then spread your nuts over it. Because I added honey to the nuts, I'd add a little salt to the chocolate to make a sweet and salty treat. So here I've sprinkled the chocolate with a little bit of salt, added those nuts, and it's ready for the fridge. You're going to want to keep it in there for about 30 minutes to an hour until it hardens. Once it does, you're ready to eat.